By this point in the research process, the researcher has identified the information needs of the study, as well as the nature of research design. Furthermore, the researcher has specified the scaling and measurement procedures and has designed the questionnaire. The next several steps include designing suitable sampling procedures, collecting data, analyzing data, and concluding the findings. With all the real work done, the results just need to be documented and communicated. Chapter 16 explains the communication of research results using written reports, presentations, and follow-up conversations. A research report is an oral or written presentation of research findings directed to a specific audience to accomplish a particular purpose. Report presentation is the final stage of the research project. The consensus is that the format for a research report should include certain prefatory parts, the body of the report, and appended parts. The report format should be varied to suit the level of formality of the particular situation. The prefatory parts of a formal report include a title page, a letter of transmittal, and a letter of authorization, a table of contents, and a summary. Tables present large amounts of numerical information in a concise manner. They are especially useful for presenting several pieces of information about each item discussed. Short tables are helpful in the body of the report. Long tables are better suited for an appendix. Each table should include a number, title, subheads, and banner heads, footnotes for any explanations or qualifications of entries, and source notes for data from secondary sources. Charts present numerical data in a way that highlights their relationships. Again, each chart should include a figure number, title, explanatory legends, and a source note for secondary sources. Pie charts show the composition of a total. Line graphs show the relationship of a dependent variable on the vertical axis to an independent variable, horizontal axis. Most commonly, the dependent variable is time. Bar charts show changes in a dependent variable at discrete intervals of the independent variables. For example, comparing one year with another or one subset of the population with another. Researchers need to pay careful attention to avoid distorted interpretation of graphics based on manipulations of the scale values used on axes or some other intentional or careless inaccuracy. Most research projects are reported orally as well as in writing, so the researcher needs to prepare an oral presentation. The presentation should defend the results without being defensive. The presentation must be tailored to the situation and the audience. The presenter should practice delivering the presentation in a natural way without reading to the audience. Graphic aids are used for supplements when they are simple and easy to read. Gestures also add interest and emphasis. Posting a summary of results online gives clients ready access to that information. Some online survey software processes the data and displays results in a presentation-ready format. Keep in mind that users often access online materials using many different types of media devices. Self-contained presentation should stay simple. In the follow-up stage of a research project, the researchers reconnect decision makers after submitting the report. This helps the researchers determine whether they need to provide further information or clarify any issues of concern to management.